Hey everybody, this is NCK 2310. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm here showing you Stockholm. Let me go around as I show you Stockholm City in Sweden. Very beautiful city. Today it's raining. Today the 14th of March 2026, and this is the view at the moment. It's raining today, as you can see. You see that up there? It's called Godolen, and there it's where I made my 30th birthday 21 years ago. Jesus. So let's continue. So today is raining. It's a rainy day today. Stockholm City, beautiful. Stockholm on a rainy day. Stockholm is very beautiful. I used to live here for many years. You see on that island, let me try to zoom. That island there is a very nice hotel there. Sometimes I used to go there as well. So I'm here showing you Stockholm on a rainy day, 14th of March 2026. But at least there's no more snow now. As you know, we are entering spring, so no more snow. Snow has melted, as you can see. We go around as we see Stockholm. You can see Stockholm is surrounded with water. By water, or with water, by water, I think it's called. And over there, if I can zoom, you see those big boats there? I think it's Viking Line. Sometimes we take boats from there where you see that big boat, to Finland. When you want to go to Finland from Stockholm, that's over there. That's why you take the boat. Yes. Okay, let's continue to walk. During summertime, this is full action here. During summertime, you know, there are a lot of boats and everything, but now there are no boats because winter just finished, so people used to remove the boats and stuff like that. Just a few now are starting to come. Sometimes they have like restaurants, boats which are permanently there. I think like that one, it's a restaurant boat in a restaurant. It is permanent. Yes. Still raining. Let me turn like this so you can see. Yes. Stockholm on a rainy day. You see, very many nice old buildings. There used to be a German restaurant in one of those buildings over there. There used to be a German restaurant. Oh, it's it here. Yeah, this one here. Zum Franziskaner. Yeah, this one over here. There is a German restaurant. Or we can walk a little bit there. Then after going there to Old Town. When we go inside Old Town, we go over there. But let me go over here a little bit. I can show you a little bit here. Oh, it's raining in Stockholm. Yes, so over there, I think we can pizza and beer. So let me walk a little bit like this, then I'll show you a little bit Stockholm. In there, when you go, I think up there is where Småhus used to be. Or is it? I think on that street. There used to be one of our favorite restaurants. I think they closed it. Småhus. It used to be so nice when we lived here in Stockholm. Okay, walk with me as I show you Stockholm City. This is where I used to live for many years. I lived there like 15 years before moving on to Göteborg. Maybe I think go in here like this, then go back to the Old Town. Yes, can go here a little bit like this, then I try to zoom for you a little bit more. It's raining, but I can show you a little bit. So still showing you Stockholm City, the capital city of Sweden. This is Stockholm. Very beautiful city. Today is raining, but it's okay. It's a rainy day in Stockholm. During summertime, here is much action, as I have said. You see, the city is surrounded with water. Beautiful, beautiful city. You walk just like this, then I zoom for you a little bit more there before going to Old Town. We can go Old Town there from the castle. When we pass by the castle, we can go to the Old Town as well, instead of the shortcut what we wanted to take. Yes. So, very nice here. Yeah, a little. Yes, a little bit. Yes, as I've said, this is NCK 2310. I'm here showing you Stockholm on a rainy day. Rainy day in Stockholm City, in Sweden. Raining, but still got to take a walk. Walking is healthy, it's important, whether raining or not. So, and then I can show you this very nice. You see, there are still old buildings over there, as you can see. Then after that, I can show you. Soon I'm gonna show you a little bit the castle and the Grand Hotel of Stockholm. Then we go to Old Town. If it won't rain that much, if it rains too much, I have to cut it short, right? Stockholm city, the capital city of Sweden. This on a rainy day. That over there, what you can see over there, let me see. Okay, let me try to go more closer like this. You know, boat restaurant as well. So we just go a little bit like this before going to the old town. It's a rainy day in Stockholm, so I want to show you how Stockholm looks like when it's raining. It's still fine, still looks nice. You see there, Hotel Horizon, that used to be also one of our favorite places. Their Hotel Horizon, as you can see. It's still a very nice hotel. We spent there many times, me and my husband. Okay, we are continuing. Show you Stockholm City. Raining. Hope you can see something. You see the skies are very dark because of the rain. And over there, I think I can zoom a little bit. There, what I'm showing you now, that's the castle, the king and queen of Sweden palace. But that's not where they live. They live in another castle called Drottningholm. But this one is the main castle, which is in the middle of Stockholm. That one there, what I'm showing you. You can go over there. Okay, let's continue a little bit more here. Over there, what I'm showing you, that's the Grand Hotel. Maybe I can go a little bit like this. I zoom it for you so you can see. The Grand Hotel is opposite of the castle. Hope you can see that. But let me go a little bit like this so I can zoom it all for you so you can see that. Okay, let me see how to do it. Let me try to zoom it from here. Yes, that there is the castle. Very big. You can't see it all from here. That's the castle, Sweden Castle Palace. That over there, okay? And opposite it, over there, that's the well-known hotel called Grand Hotel. It's just opposite of the castle. Beautiful place. Okay, so now I've shown you that part. That's also a very nice, there's also a very nice hotel hidden over. That's the museum, but over there, there's another small hotel hidden over there, very nice one. So now we can continue to the old town. So there is the castle. There is what you see is the castle. Today is a rainy day. So I'm showing you Stockholm in a rainy day. We cross. Okay, got to wait. The cars are coming. Got to cross over here because we're gonna go to the old town then. So there you can see now nicely the castle, the palace, Stockholm Palace, Sweden Palace. And now we're gonna go old town. I'm gonna pass over there. There's a shortcut over there to go to old town. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. So I've shown you a little bit of Stockholm City, as you can see there. King Gustav. I thank you all, and please, if you enjoyed the video, remember to support me by touching the subscribe button. You can comment, share, and like as well. Thank you, and watch the next video. Bye bye.